Ever feel like you're working your tail off in sales, crushing quotas, but your commission structure feels like a mystery box? Hit this target and get something? We've all been there. That's where Spiff comes in, promising to revolutionize your sales comp with transparency and automation. But before you jump on board, let's crack open the hood of Spiff and see what the real price tag is. The problem: commission chaos. Sales commissions can be a tangled mess. Legacy systems are clunky, calculations are opaque, and let's be honest, sometimes they feel downright rigged. Spiff promises to change that. It claims to be the magic bullet for streamlining commissions, boosting motivation, and putting real-time data at your fingertips. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Spiff, the features. Alright, so what exactly does Spiff offer? Well, it's all about ditching the spreadsheets and embracing automation. Spiff lets you design flexible commission plans with drag-and-drop ease. Think tiered commissions, bonus structures, quotas, you name it. Plus, it integrates with your CRM, so sales data flows seamlessly, meaning no more manual data entry headaches. The transparency factor. One of Spiff's biggest selling points is transparency. Sales reps can see exactly where they stand, what they need to do to hit their targets, and how much they'll earn. This fosters trust and can be a huge motivator. Imagine the difference between staring at a cryptic commission report and having a clear, real-time picture of your earning potential. So, how much does Spiff cost? Alright, the moment you've all been waiting for. Here's the thing, Spiff doesn't have a one-size-fits-all price tag. Unlike some software with a flat monthly fee, Spiff uses a tiered pricing model based on your company's headcount. Breaking down the tiers. Host, here's a rough breakdown. For companies with around 200 employees, Spiff can cost anywhere from $18,100 to $32,900 annually. That price tag climbs for larger organizations. For companies with 1,000 employees, you are looking at a range of $32,300 to a whopping $63,700 per year. Is Spiff worth it? The big decision. So, is Spiff worth the investment? Well, it depends. For smaller sales teams, the cost might be a tough pill to swallow. However, for larger organizations with complex commission structures, Spiff's automation and data-driven insights could lead to significant efficiency gains and a more motivated sales force. Ultimately, it's a cost-benefit analysis. Additional considerations. Beyond the base price, there are additional factors to consider. Does Spiff integrate with your existing tech stack? What kind of customer support do they offer? Is there a free trial so you can kick the tires before you commit? Don't forget to factor in these details when making your decision. Spiff offers a powerful solution for streamlining sales commissions, but it's not a one-click fix. Do your research, understand the pricing structure, and weigh the potential benefits against the cost. With the right approach, Spiff could be the key to unlocking a more transparent, efficient, and ultimately, more profitable sales operation. That's all we have time for today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on crushing those sales targets.